In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add views to your projects in ClickUp. If you've been using ClickUp to manage your projects, you already know how powerful a tool it is for organizing tasks and collaborating with your team. Adding different views to your projects can further enhance your workflow and provide you with insights that are tailored to your needs. So, let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of ClickUp's versatile views. First, you'll want to open ClickUp and head to your desired project workspace. Once you're there, take a look at the top of your project interface, where you typically see options like Task, List, or Board. This is where you'll add new views to format your project according to what's most helpful for your specific needs. To add a new view, find the plus icon or Add View button, usually located next to your current views. Clicking on this will bring up a list of available view types such as List, Board, Box, Gantt, Calendar, Table, and even more specialized views if you need them. Each view offers a different perspective on your project. For instance, List and Board views might help you visualize tasks and their progress, while a Gantt view can provide insights into your project timeline. Let's say you want to add a calendar view to keep track of your deadlines and events. After clicking on Add View, select Calendar from the list. Once selected, you'll be prompted with some options to configure your calendar view. Here, you can choose settings such as date range, filtering options, and whether you'd like to see tasks or subtasks as events on your calendar. These settings help customize the view to suit your project's requirements. After you've configured the settings, click Add View again to finalize. The calendar view will now appear alongside your other views at the top of your project interface. You'll notice that switching between views is seamless. Just click on the view type you want to see, and your project information will automatically adjust to fit that format. A useful tip is to play around with the different views. Each one can reveal different aspects of your project, helping you to spot bottlenecks, plan efficiently, and keep everyone on the same page. There's no one-size-fits-all. It's all about finding the views that best support your project's workflow. That wraps up today's guide. I've shown you how you can easily add and configure new views in ClickUp, which should greatly enhance your project management experience. Feel free to explore each view to find the combination that works best for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.